Welcome. In this video, we will talk about one more nifty index stock, a leading private bank and one of India's very well managed banks, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak began operations as a full-fledged bank in 2003. Before that, it was called as Kotak Mahindra Finance, started by Uday Kotak in 1985. Uday started as a financial advisor and went on to become the country's most trusted banker. I had an opportunity to spend some time with Uday post a conference last year. He had shared thoughts with us about how he used to convince his investors to invest in a future gold mine, HDFC, when it listed its stock in 1995. While his investors would tell him that, how many houses are you going to construct around the country, Uday? This stock will not shine, it will get into dark. Today, we know the history of HDFC, 3,100% returns in 25 years. Those who have a vision create wonders. So was Uday's enterprising journey in the banking industry. Learn how to pick a multi-bagger stock for your portfolio. What to buy, why buy, when to buy, how much to buy, and when to sell. Learn all these through our course on stock market investing. Click on the card above to learn more. Kotak Bank is very well known for its compliance standards. They ensure that every compliance requirement is in place, even to open a very small savings bank account. Personal verifications get done and accounts get rejected. This is the reason why this bank stayed low in its growth when the peers in the group had a boom time. Let me say that every strategy has its own time to perform. Today, in the market where quality of bank management is at stake, Kotak is shining bright because of maintaining quality. With a slow yet steady and perfect journey, Kotak went on to become one of India's top 4 private banks post its acquisition of ING Vysya Bank in 2014. 1,600 branches, 2,600 ATMs. Kotak is in the 124th position on the world's top banking list. It is not a great place because SBI is at 51st position, a ranking based on the size of the bank. With a lot of space available to move up and the quality that Kotak has, one can imagine the enormous amount of valuation that this bank will command as it climbs up the ladder. Uday had the challenge of reducing his stake in the bank to meet regulatory requirements. This he handled it beautifully. He acquired a bank and ensured that he has lesser stake in that acquisition, thereby ensuring that he is not selling any of his shares in the market and also reduce his stake in the overall bank holdings. On this line is the new development that's happening to acquire IndusInd Bank. This thought is yet in the nascent stage. If it happens, it will take Kotak to even more prominence. These show that this man, Mr. Uday Kotak's immense love to his business. If you have a share in these kind of businesses in your portfolio, you need not do any work. Your money will keep growing. Business. We had already shared that Kotak is a conservative bank, so growth cannot be remarkable. Its income growth had gone up 8 folds in the last 10 years, from 4,500 crores to 33,000 crores in March 2020. Profit went up 13 folds in the last 10 years, from about 650 crores to 8,500 crores. Kotak Bank's income and profit has been growing at 10% year on year, a fairly reasonable growth for a big business. At this kind of growth in the next 10 years, Kotak Bank's income will be at 87,000 crores and profits will be about 22,000 crores. Achieving these numbers is going to be a cakewalk for Kotak, with the kind of backing that it has built on the quality of banking and the passion that its promoter has on the business. So, what this growth will translate to its shareholders. Stock's future. Mr. Nilesh Shah, the managing director of Kotak Mutual Fund, used to tell Kotak Bank's strength in this manner. The stock market is like Indian railways. The ride will be jerky and tiresome. While you hop in and sit inside, you will for sure reach your destination. The same with the stock market. Ride might be bumpy. If you believe and stay invested, you are sure to achieve your goal. Take our bank stock. It has not given a great ride, while for those who have trusted and invested, they have made fat gains. It's true. The wealth that Kotak Bank created to its investors since its inception is 3,860%. Kotak Mahindra Bank enjoys 30 times valuation on its earnings in the market. In 10 years from now, earnings per share will be at 112 rupees. At 30 times valuation, the stock should be quoting at 3,350 rupees a share, more than double from its current price. Attractive? Not at all a significant gain. It shows that Kotak Mahindra Bank shares are reasonably priced in the current market. At the same time, this is a stock that we should keep an eye on to invest when the price goes down. During COVID times, Kotak Bank shares came down and was available at 1,000 rupees a piece, a price that was worth a grab. So, at current market price, it is not worth a buy for a long-term portfolio. While you can use a staggered buying strategy to accumulate this stock into your portfolio. You can do your staggered buying in this manner. Say suppose you want to buy this stock for 1 lakh in your portfolio. Break your whole investment into 5 parts. The first part of 20,000, go ahead and buy at current prices. Then fix a downside, either it can be 3% or 5% from the price at which you bought. When the stock price drops, either 3 or 5% as per your decision, go ahead and add the next chunk. Like that, continue as long as the stock price keeps going down. This will help you average your investment. And great stocks don't have significant downside. Say suppose Kotak Bank drops only 10% from where it is now, and you have fixed a 3% strategy. You would have got entry only for 60,000 of your capital. The balance money, keep it aside to buy some other outstanding stock that will obviously come in the near future. With the highest quality in its business and the passion of Uday, Kotak Bank qualifies for a small exposure in every long-term investor's portfolio. We have a group to share thoughts and ideas about trading. If you would be interested in getting trading ideas, please send us a WhatsApp request to our contact available at the end of the video. Opportunities. For trading purposes, Kotak Bank is not a trader's favorite. In our experience, it gives very rare opportunities to make money for traders. For short term, sometimes it gives some good potential. One such opportunity is available right now. Kotak Bank gave a fantastic quarterly result for September 2020. Margins went up to 26.7% and earnings growth went up to 22%. If during troubled times they have such big growth, their growth will rocket when things get back to normal. In our stock ranking report, Kotak Bank has its earnings rank at 66.8% and price rank at 56.4%. Levels above 70 are worth notice. While for Kotak Bank, it's still a long way to go to catch up with the top performers in the broad market. Whereas there is one thing that catches attention in Kotak Bank: the speed at which the stock price is going up now. In the last week, on the price rank percentage, the gain is 18.9 points. This gives a very early signal that this stock is worth an attention. If there is a nearby resistance and on break of that, we can take entry. For Kotak Bank, 1501 was the recent resistance and it decisively broke that resistance in the current week, thereby qualifying a short-term buy in the stock. Investors can add a small exposure at this level, trail with a stop loss, and as the stock builds up strength, add more exposure when the ranking goes above 80. Using ranks on profit growth and stock performance can help you identify and add future multi-baggers into your portfolio. Looks like Kotak Bank is marching towards becoming a new multi-bagger in the market. We have our stock rank report that tracks and ranks 700 companies in the market. It helps simplify the work around studying companies to identify strength and lists the top performing stocks in the market. To have your copy of Stock Rank Report, take the membership by clicking on the join button below. So, Kotak Mahindra Bank is a stock that qualifies to be part of every long-term investor's portfolio today. It is highly priced. You should use staggered buying to add the stock to your portfolio. It has given excellent result, thereby providing opportunity for short-term investment.